stable at some point, and
we cooking bacon, y'all.
To provide better, but unfortunately.
Hey boo, so this is Nikki's the One. I'm doing a review today on these crimp irons, and I'm going to be crimping my hair. I did see Slayed by Jordan. I'll leave a link down to his channel, but he slays hair. He slays hair, and it's been a minute since I had some crimp irons, so I ended up getting it from Amazon because I love just the body wave look and the crimp look. And as you can see, like, it is everything. And the only products that I'm going to be using is regular mousse, and then the Got2b Insta Hold spray. I'm not using a lot of it, just so you guys know, to achieve this look. But the name of these crimp irons is the Iron Triple Barrel Waver. This is how it looks. It's purple, matte, and then it goes up to 450. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing.
Close my eyes and see me bringing my husband's body out in the bag.
So as you can see, this is stiff as hell. I wonder, do people comb them out, or do they just leave it how they do? Before I comb it out, I'm just gonna leave it and watch a video to see what they do. It's definitely stiff. She ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna split it up, but this is just a comparison so you can see, like, this is some, yeah. It's really pretty. I love the luster in it. But I'm gonna get to this side and then show you guys the finished look.
Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. 난 너를 생각해. From your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way, as long as I'm safely in your arms. And it don't really matter where we stay, 'cause space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad. Now she's so late, and as you're talking I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now, spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try to play my part.
With a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it.
the end result of the hair. I did comb it out a little bit, and I only suggest doing this with a wide tooth comb or with finger combing, because it's like it's defeating the purpose if you just comb it out with a rat tail comb. It's like, what's the point? The only thing that I would say about crimps, you can either use mousse by itself or mousse and spritz. Any brand is really fine. I use the Got To Be Glued brand for the spritz, but it is going to take some time, okay? It took me a while. I would say about an hour and a half to do it, but as you can see with these results, like, it is very much so worth it. I really do like the results of it. I don't know how long this is going to last, but I imagine when I'm done with this hairstyle, I'm going to have to wash it to get back to the straight how I like it. I would not dare I wouldn't dare attempt for it to be straight again and not wash the hair. But I really do like this curl pattern. I was feeling in the mood for a body wave, so this is definitely the go-to if you want to, even if you have body wave hair and you just want to define it a little bit more. I think this is perfect. Let me know what you guys think. This is not my first time crimping. I remember back in high school, like a long time ago, years, but I did used to do crimps, but this is my first time crimping in a long time. I haven't crimped my hair since then, and this is my first time crimping with these irons. Definitely thank you, kudos to Slayed by Jordan. If you haven't, please check out his channel, because he does have a lot of awesome gems to give, like pointers and stuff like that with installs and things like that. So yes, I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will give you specs and everything on this hair, and I will be doing a hair review really soon for this particular hair, because, you know, like I said, I want to get into actually wearing the hair for a few weeks to a month before actually giving you guys a real authentic hair review, like really. But this hair is from Icy Hair Company, just so you guys know. It is straight hair, and yeah, I'll be back very soon just to give you guys an updated hair review on it, just to give you all of the specs of what I think about the hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh yeah, also don't forget to thumbs up if you like videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe, and definitely check out my Instagram, because I'm on there the most. Nikki's the one. So I'll see you next time, and yeah, bye.